channel, and today I'm so excited because my mum went off and found squishy mushrooms. I've been waiting for one of these for my birthday, and she surprised me one, and I didn't think I would get one, so I'm so excited. So now I'm going to open them. I'm going to get my scissors because my mum opened my sister's in the car and she said they was hard, and she said you might need them during the video. So let's try and open it. I'm so excited. Right, I'm going to try and open this. You have the look. Top fell. Try not to look at it. So that is it. Tomato ketchup. Oh, I keep dropping it, but yay! Here's 2 charms. I'm going to take it out. So here's my little charm and another charm. And we have a mystery blind bag, and I'm going to open this at the end. Oh, so cute! So cute! And a kitten one. Yay, I'm so grateful! And they're scented. Oh yeah, I didn't look on the packaging. It said they're new and they're scented. And smells of raspberries. I don't even know what raspberries smell of, but they smell of a kind of fruit. A mini surprise inside. And a little sticker. Oh, here's a sticker, I think. Oh, it's a name. It's a tag. And we have a checklist. So, I'm going to open the blind bags at the end. So, first letter of my name is L, Fruity, and then my second name is Sky. So, Fruity Pudding Pop, Fruity Pudding Pop. So you have this, if you want to pause it and look. I have no idea where to put it. Container, and I think this is a sticker because it said it includes a sticker. Is it a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker, but I want to keep it at the bottom because it's so cute. I think it's a milk carton! Oh! And we have this, and it has the other side. Surprise on the side. And today, my mum has been surprising me with a lot of squishies lately. So yeah, we have this one. It's so squishy on the horizon. They're £10 each, and you get them from Toy Smith Superstores. And a mystery surprise. I think it's a milk carton. I'm not sure. So here's a blind bag, and it's really soft. So we'll put the rubbish there. Okay. So. I'm so excited for the second one, and it's my first time squishing my own because my friend Megan bought, well, not my best friend, but my friend bought one into school. So yeah, for the morning, because we always see each other in the morning. There's a look. Oh, we got a different one this time, I think. Oh yeah. What's in here? So, we got, here's a squishy that I'm going to put the 2 squishies here, the charm. One's gold, one's rose pink, I think, and I'm just going to leave them. So, oh So I don't know what to do with the lids, but I'll keep them there, and I'm gonna open the blind bags in a minute. It's the same as my friend Megan! And I didn't get any the same. Well, I hope I've not. Another thing, a checklist, but I keep dropping them at really annoying. We got one of these. Oh, I think they're going to make series, because look. Series 1, I'm so excited. So, now I'm going to open the blind bags. In a minute, I'm going to show you my sisters. So, yeah. Because she opened hers. My mum opened hers in the car for her. So, now I'm going to open these blind bags. Yeah, Mum, I'll do it in a minute. I'm opening the blind bags. She said okay. So, I'm going to give you the first peek. I don't know, but yeah. Mum, it's sushi! So excited! It's so squishy and soft and so rising. Thank you! Right. Now, I'm guessing this is a milk carton. Right. And I'm so glad we might not get any the same. Right, now I'm going to go downstairs and show you my sisters. Wait there. Mum, where's Orla's?
Downstairs.
Where?
In the kitchen.
Okay, so my sisters are downstairs in the kitchen, so I'm going to get them and show you guys. So, yeah. Oh, so here are my sisters. Oh yeah, here's my mum's, by the way. She likes to play with them. Okay, so she got a sushi the same as me. This one the same as me. Another one the same as me. I'm not sure. Bacon. Hers smells so good too. Yeah. Oh yeah. Hers is so soft and hard. And last one are milkshakes. And look, we got some titchy jam. They're so nice. We got loads. But I'm not going to go into detail with them. We have this last one. We got a keychain, banana. Hers is airy, this one is. And this one's so soft. It's a little biscuit. And it's not really so rising, this one. But yeah, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and bye guys!